lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super wonderful. Thank you for coming in today and for clicking on this video. I do appreciate you guys so much. And of course, I'm always happy to bring you guys another video. And welcome to all of my brand new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for joining my channel. So my channel is all about skincare. Although I do the odd, hauls and makeup videos in between, but it's all about skincare because I'm over 50 and I spend so much time trying to get rid of my problem areas of my skin. And most of the products or all of the products that I use are on my website, sassyover55.com. The link is going to be below for you guys to check it out. Lots of great stuff on that website. Plus, we always have giveaways as well. So please check it out. And things that you don't see on my YouTube channel, you will definitely find them on the website. So today, let's get into the video. We are going to be masking this face today. As you can see, I'm not wearing any makeup, okay? My face is nice and clear. I don't have anything on my skin. And so this is the mask we are going to be using today. I've mentioned this before, that I was going to come back and show you guys this particular mask. I've been using this for a very long time, and I love this mask. This is from Garnier SkinActive, and my God, so many good products that are so beneficial to my skin. Is unbelievable. Number one, the packaging is biodegradable. Do not throw the package in your garbage. Put the package in your compost, okay? That's one of the things that I love about this. Now, this is going to brighten your skin. It has hyaluronic acid, vitamin C. There is nothing to damage or harm your skin, suitable for the most sensitive skin, because I do have sensitive skin. You put the mask on your face, of course, clean face before 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes, don't wash off the solution that's on your face. Massage that into your skin. So we are going to be doing that right now. I'm going to open up the mask for you. And of course you can see it is fully saturated. And according to the package, it has approximately 1 bottle of serum. And again, this is a brightening serum for your skin. So we're just going to take it out. Okay. Again, fully saturated. Don't squeeze it because you're going to be missing out on a lot of good benefits for your skin. So here it be. So we're just going to open this up gently, okay? And here we be. Okay, and again, you have to make sure that your face is completely clean before you put the mask on your face. So we're just going to open it up. Okay, we have the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. So we're just going to put this over our face. And it smells wonderful. So we're just going to fit this over the eyes. Okay. As you can see, it is fully saturated. And so we are just going to leave this on for 15 minutes. Oh my God, this feels so good on the skin. Pull this down a little bit around the eyes. And guys, this is the mask, okay? I mean, look at my hands. It is just so wet. Just to make sure it fits nicely all over your face, okay? So we are going to leave this on for 15 minutes, guys, okay? And we are going to come back and I'm going to show you guys what my skin looks like. And of course, wearing a face mask on camera is not sexy, okay? Let's just give it a minute and I'll be back in a second. Okay, my loves, it's been 15 minutes since I've had the mask on my face. So I'm going to remove it now. And of course you can see the mask is not sticky, or it's not drying or anything like that. This is how your face should look when you remove a mask from your face. Now, if you notice, my skin is glowing. So with clean hands, massage this into your skin. You do not need to go in with any serums, okay? Just massage this all over your face. This is what it's going to look like, okay? My skin feels so soft. So beautiful. So hydrated. It feels wonderful. And the solution that's left over from the mask is what's going to help to brighten your skin and make your skin feel so good. So normally I would use my serum from Elizabeth Grant, but I'm not going to be doing that today. I'm only going to go in with my Lifting Day Cream, okay? And so I'm just going to take a little bit out. Normally I don't dip my fingers into it. I forgot to bring my wand. And so I'm just going to put a little bit of this just all over my face. And we are going to massage this in. And this is the Elizabeth Grant Collagen Reinforced 3D Lifting Day Cream. It is so good. So let's just massage this in. And that's it. I'm going to come a little close. My skin feels like butter. My skin feels so incredibly good right now. Again, let me come a little close so you guys can see what my skin looks like. Okay, this is incredible. I use this mask at least 2 or 3 times a month, and my skin feels absolutely amazing. And again, this is from Garnier SkinActive. It's the Moisture Balm Sheet Mask. It's super hydrating, brightening with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. Okay, highly, highly, highly recommend that you guys get this mask and use it. I would not say once a week, maybe once, twice a month, 3 times a month. But when I'm doing my facial routine once a month, I make sure this mask is on my face. And guys, my skin feels like butter. The products that you're using on your skin, if it's not going to give you that bounce and that luminosity, toss it in the garbage. It's not doing its job. This is my face. And I'm just going to go in with just a lip balm. And that's it. Completely done. That's my face for today, guys. That's my face for today. And so I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Get your masking on and take care of your skin. Take care of yourself. I know some of us always loves to spend that money and buy those expensive makeup products and all of that stuff, but sometimes you have to invest in your skin and proper skincare, and I will definitely encourage you guys to get this mask from Garnier SkinActive. Okay, so I do hope you enjoyed today's video. My name is Odette. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming in, and of course come back next week for another video. Toodles.